Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, is a highly versatile white crystalline powder valued for its mild alkaline properties and wide range of applications across the food, pharmaceutical, agricultural, cleaning, and industrial sectors. Known for its ability to neutralize acids, regulate pH, release carbon dioxide, and act as a gentle cleaning agent, sodium bicarbonate is one of the most widely used chemical compounds in the world. In the food and beverage industry, it serves as a vital leavening agent in baking, helping bread, cakes, pastries, and biscuits rise by releasing carbon dioxide during cooking, resulting in light and fluffy textures. It is also used as an acidity regulator and buffering agent in various food and beverage formulations. In the pharmaceutical industry, sodium bicarbonate is commonly found in antacids, effervescent tablets, and oral care products, where it helps neutralize stomach acid, improve product stability, and promote oral hygiene. Beyond food and healthcare, it is widely used in household and industrial cleaning products due to its deodorizing, stain-removing, and mild abrasive properties, making it effective for cleaning surfaces, equipment, and production facilities. Industrially, sodium bicarbonate is used in water treatment, textile processing, chemical manufacturing, leather processing, fire extinguishers, and environmental applications, where it assists in pH control, neutralization, and process efficiency. It also plays an important role in agriculture as a component in crop care and livestock management. With its high purity, excellent solubility, environmentally friendly profile, and remarkable versatility, sodium bicarbonate continues to be an essential chemical that supports efficient manufacturing, product quality, and everyday applications across countless industries. Whether used in baking, healthcare, cleaning, or industrial production, sodium bicarbonate remains a dependable solution for enhancing performance, safety, and sustainability.